Whoa! Come on! Ebola is in the building! Oh, come on! Ebola! You guys will not understand. Come on, fans. Like, if you're a big ardent Dambe supporter, like you follow Dambe religiously, ardently, you would know that fighter just got me excited. I'm Anthony Kiziki and I'm excited to trust me. That's all I have to say. Ooh, okay. Straight into the arena, we get to see Bahagon out under Nigeria of Jamus on the cap there against Altan Buma Kurumada on the black trousers, and not to douse the anticipation of getting to watch Ebola in the arena of fire. Let's enjoy both fighters, both regulars on the Dambe Warriors circuit, and then Nigeria is a deadly fighter. Whoa, striking to left. Whoa, and that was a quickie. Like, it should go into the book of one of the quickest bouts in Dambe. Knocked out Buma immediately, instantaneously as the game started. Let's watch that replay quickly. Striking through overhands in quick success. He thrust, and Buma was struggling to move around, just crumbled backwards on all fours. Too bad for him. While then Nigeria will go celebrate his victory. Thank you. We get to see Ebola. Now, Ebola is one of Dambe's greatest fighters. Next to him are the likes of Chindo. Just watch this beautiful scene playing out in front of you. See how every fighter from every house, the three houses, Jamus, Kurumada, all coming out to pay their respect to this formidable fighter who is well known across all circuits in the world of Dambe. Elite fighter, professional Dambe fighter in the world. One of them you get to witness on Dambe Warriors channel. Ebola. What he's doing is just a ritual dance, putting on that energy in the arena. The drummers are giving him his praise chant, a customized sound strictly for him. He's going to vibe and gyrate to those sounds, mentally preparing himself for battle, while at the same time transforming the energy in the arena. Look at spectators, see everybody just all smiles. Oh, Dogon Ebola steps in, another elite fighter of the House of Kurumada steps up and he comes to salute Ebola. They all compete on the same top level division, but it's the spirit of comradeship that would make him go salute Ebola himself. And Ebola continues to display, gyrating to the beating Kalango and Kutunku drums. The lead musicians are all excited, all smiles, getting cash gifts, from these from the fighters. That's it for more. But this is a ritual in Dambe you don't get to witness every time. The fighters pre-match preparation rituals going on in full display just after we witness the knockout. What more can we ask from the Dambe Warriors? So, you just have to follow us on social media, Dambe Warriors, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell notification icon. The kind of content coming your way from Dambe is never before seen. Awesome content coming through very soon. Every day, new releases. And both fighters, elite fighters, salute spectators. Just the perfect scenario we need to get everybody fired up and in the spirit. Bahagon Ondo stepping out is starting to galvanize his own drumming and beating there, attempting to challenge Ebola. He's calling for a fight, and there he goes. And Dogon Ebola tells him, "Slow your horses, challenge me, and I will slit your throat." Let's go. Open season. Okay. It's for gods of Dambe. Let's go. Subscribe to the Dambe Warriors channel. Hit the bell notification icon if you want to see this match. It's coming soon. May the feast of Dambe Warriors be with you. Thank you.